So we've just arrived here in Bern. We're staying at Hotel Baron Bonsblatz. We're staying on the 4th floor. Come on in and check out the room. We've got a bathroom directly on the left as you walk in. This is the thing that I really love about this hotel so much. Everywhere you look around the hotel and in the room, you'll find these cityscapes that show Bern, and they go from the roof to the floor. Really lovely feature. Through here we've got a big comfy bed with very, very cute Swiss emblematic pillows, which I love. I've got a workspace, desk area over here, lounge chair to relax in, and of course my favourite part is always the view, so let's check it out. We've got a view out onto the Old Town. So I've just popped down to the lobby area of Hotel Baron. We've got this beautiful little sitting area and breakfast area in the morning, and an amazing coffee station with coffee and tea and pretty much everything you could want from your hotel. So I'm going to whip myself up a coffee and sit down and enjoy. So we've arrived in Bern, we've checked into our hotel, and we are lucky enough to have turned up just at a day where the entrance to the Parliament is free. It's normally something you have to book in advance and have an appointment and a tour guide, but you can wander freely around today. Just show your passport if you're international or license if you're from Switzerland. So it's absolutely stunning. There's so many rooms you can check out. I'll show you some of them in a minute. But yeah, really beautiful and a great activity if you're here. So part of our stay at the Hotel Baron, we have access to the Bern app. So all you do is download it, click in, and click on attractions, and everything is listed for you to easily find. So if we click into an attraction and we want to get to it, we read about what it's about, click onto the map, and it directly Google Maps to where you are, where you want to go. Awesome. So we are on Statue Walk, we're calling it, or Fountain Walk, sorry. And they are all lined up down here, and we're walking towards the beautiful clock tower. Let's check them out. So we're just strolling along the river here in Bern, and we've come across a bear. I'm not sure what's going on, but actual bear down in the foresty bit near the river in Bern. That's something to see. Across this bridge at the base of Bern, I think it is. It's actually the first big bridge like this that was built in Bern. We saw all these little signs showing bears, and there's an enclosure here with a bear in it. Right at the centre almost of the city, or at the bottom of the city. How incredible. If you're looking for a free bear sighting in Bern, this is where you come. These trams run up and down the city centre of Bern, and you can jump on and off as you need with the Swiss travel pass. It's all included. So we're just checking out where we're heading off to next, and Mike's turning the phone and realising that the arrows for each activity are turning with him, so he can tell what direction everything's in. Very cool. This area we've got the Rat House, which is the old town hall, old city hall, and church. We've just come up on a couple of buses which were free with the Bern Pass, and we are on the Guten Bahn, and we're heading up the hill to hopefully catch the sunset. Well, we made it. We're at the top from the Barn. It's got an exceptional view. Let's have a look. Sun's setting, church bells are ringing. I'm going to be quiet now and show you the view. If you're looking for the best view in Bern, I highly suggest you get the Bern ticket from your hotel if you can, and take the funicular up to the Barn lookout. It is perfect. So there's actually a whole park of activities up here. There's cycling tracks, walking paths, a restaurant. There's a lot to do, I think, if you spent some more time. And here's a map of the whole area. We're just going to go check out another viewpoint. Typical Mike the view hunter here has found an even nicer spot to see the city and the river. All right, and we're off, ready to head back down. Let's go. Alrighty, that's breakfast done with a little coffee from the coffee bar to take away. Now we've got to get ready to leave, unfortunately. We're here at the Bern train station. Our train is just pulling up. We're about to jump on the first class carriage to Interlaken, and we'll be heading there in about 1 hour, I think it takes. Super comfortable, can't wait to jump on. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps to support us. See you next time.